This is the Streamlight MicroStream. Come on, focus. There we go. And you can move this like this to make the light stream narrower, wider. This is the on-off switch right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, bing, bang, boom. Okay, let's take it outside and test out the range. Got my flashlight and boom. Shine some light on the power lines up there. Boom, boom. That is pretty bright. Put some light on that tree over there. Yep. That is pretty cool. Shine some light on the top of my house. Woo! That is pretty cool. That is pretty good.